today we're diving into Baseten, an AI model deployment platform that claims to simplify how you bring your models to life. But with so many options out there, does it really stand out, or is it just another tool in a crowded space? Baseten positions itself as a user-friendly platform for deploying machine learning models with a focus on making the process accessible for developers and data scientists alike. At its core, Baseten allows you to easily integrate your models into applications, which is a significant advantage if you want to streamline your workflow. The interface feels intuitive, and it seems designed to help users get their models up and running quickly. However, while the onboarding process is smooth, some features feel a bit sparse. For example, the documentation could be more comprehensive. If you're new to deploying AI models, you might find yourself wanting more detailed guidance. The platform also emphasizes collaboration, which could be beneficial for teams, but I'm curious about how well it scales for larger projects. Overall, Baseten has a solid foundation, but it leaves some questions about depth and support for more complex use cases. When it comes to pros, Baseten's ease of use is a major highlight. The clean interface and straightforward deployment process make it appealing for those who might be intimidated by other platforms. It's also great for teams looking to collaborate on projects. On the flip side, there are some notable cons. The lack of extensive documentation and resources might frustrate users who need more detailed help, especially beginners. Additionally, if you're dealing with highly complex models or need advanced customization, you might find Baseten a bit limiting. Pricing details are also not as transparent as I'd like, which could be a concern for businesses wanting to budget accurately. In summary, while Baseten shines in simplicity, it may not suit everyone, especially those needing a more robust feature set. In the end, Baseten is worth considering if you're looking for a straightforward way to deploy AI models without a steep learning curve. However, if you require extensive customization or are working on larger scale projects, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it has potential, but transparency and depth could use improvement.